our same equation, 2/3 times 1/4. So we have the area model. You have 3 spaces here. Whoops, 4 spaces here. So now, if we want to get 2/3, we'll take this part that has 3 parts and we'll just mark those off. And then times 1/4, so we have our 4 parts, and so we're just going to have that part marked off in red. We'll do a circle, circle, circle. So now, if we're multiplying 2/3 times 1/4, that's going to give us 2/3, 1/4. It'll be the part where the 2 sections or what's the word I'm looking for? Overlap, yeah.
Yep.
And so now we have 2 out of 12 would be the answer.